So hi everybody and welcome back to Unreal Engine 5 full game tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 21 and in this video I want to talk fast about how to create a level. And I say fast because creating a level it's absolutely not fast. But I'm not a designer and I can't create actually a level. Instead, I will just get props or free assets from the marketplace and then just compose it. And you can do this as well if you are not a designer. If you are a designer on the other side, you can just create this 3D models or this landscape on your own from scratch and make it. But like I said, in my case I am not, and that's why what we are doing is not this one. Let's open up here fast this one again. Go to the marketplace and then you search what you like. And in the marketplace actually there is a free section that's very good for starters. So if you're a starter, go here to this free section. There are different options. Here's important is this one, free for the month. This is only available every month, and then it will be updated, and the last one is gone, so you should take this one and get it to the library. And you can see I did here in my library many things. You can see I have here full list of many free assets, even so much that I can't go through all, but important is that you have them, because when you need them then you can just search what you need. For example, let's say we make a low poly game, so then right here poly for example, and you see here popping up some assets which is designed for poly, most time low poly, whatever you like. For example, last month was this low poly Viking world. Let's click on this one. It was last month. I hope you got this. And then you can see they have already maps in them. You can see I even don't have to. I can just load this map, add this to my project and use this as a template. A template means here you add this to your project and then you still change this, right? So this is just the start point. Instead of having this start point here, this is also a start point, this prototype map here, you can start from this one here if you like this style and all this kind of stuff. And in my case, I'm anyway going to make a third-person project, so that would be okay, but this one is too big for mobile. I already tested this one. So in my case, I will just get here the props from this Viking, so I just add it to a project, and I migrate here the props, and I showed you all this kind of stuff, how to migrate, and then you can start styling your level. And this is the next step what we have to do, because we finished already here this widget. Of course you have to style this a little bit, not like me here. We just implemented here some basics. You can start, you can see here, so the character, we have to change the character as well later, so you can get a character asset as well. We will talk about how to retarget this asset if you like in the third person. Right now I'm using here the default one, and of course we will create here this gameplay widget and many more things. But important now is that you get just free assets, so that we have not to use this one as a gameplay. Or you make, like I said, you say I make a very minimal game, so which means you just delete this and put here some assets for testing and then style your own game. All right, I think this is just for the update, so that you are not wondering why I have in my next video many things here. Probably I'm using just free assets on free maps, and then we are programming all the other things what is necessary for this map there. Alright, with that said, if you have any questions like all time, write in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye, good luck and have fun.